Yo, what is up guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know, I am at Alaska right now, and I'm going to show you guys a room tour in Alaska. It's super dope, it's fire. I thought it was a suite, but it turns out to be just 2 beds, and that's it. So guys, let me show you this really quick for a little room tour. Let's go. So first you see is our boots. Mine is the one with the black over there with the then everything here, and then after that is the luggage. I know it looks like it's pretty messy over here, but don't mind the mess. We came yesterday, we checked in the room yesterday, so don't mind the mess. But this is actually really cool. That this pink luggage that I bought my mom, and I bought for my mom apparently, and then we got close in there because we have a lot of I think 9-10 days pretty much. So we packed for the trip for Alaska, so that's why we have tons of clothes in here. And you can see, if you can see that's mine Spider-Man jacket. And then after that, you can see is the bed. 2 beds. Here is my mom and my dad's bed, and there is my bed. Right there. Yep. So right there. And then we have that 2 water bottles. Yep. And then you come in. You see my stuff over here. I know it's pretty messy, over here, but don't mind the messy, guys. So I have my karate duffel bag right here. It's pretty cool. I have tons of clothes in here apparently, a lot of winter clothes and whatnot. And then here's my mess right here, my PJs right there, and I brought my basketball bag with me too, you guys. Look at that. On my back too, so it's pretty awesome, pretty cool, pretty sweet. And then you come more in here, you see the stuff, a bunch of royalty stuff here. We got my sister's hydro flask, because it's actually a small one. You see, yeah, it's actually blue teal hydro flask. We got the room card right here. There's supposed to be 2 of them, but there's 1 right now, right here, where it is. And then we got coffee. I believe this is my dad's coffee. Then here's the plate, because this plate's actually my plate. My dad brought breakfast from downstairs, so my dad brought breakfast for me. My dad put it up here so I can eat when I'm awake. Good thing I'm already awake a couple hours ago, so I can just eat. I got this. And then we have this room cardigan. This is actually from our last room, but we came back. But this master key right here is actually our last room we had, because you guys know the heater is not working and whatnot, so we had to switch rooms, and now we have a different master card now. It turns out we have that card that I just showed you just now. We even have the controller here, so we can watch TV and whatnot. And then we have this awesome huge TV. And what's up, guys? It's me over there. And then here's my mom's bag. Here's my San Diego Ghost cap that I have. And then here we have is a little coffee thing right here, as you would tell. And then I got my setup right here, you guys. It isn't really that good, but we have my charger right there. We have my hot chocolate there, my stand over there, my phone stand. I got my iPad Pro. No, not iPad Pro. I think it's like a tablet. Then I got my pen, and I got my notebook and my markers, so I can color right here. So here, color my station over here, pretty much. So I just set it up just now, not too long ago from here. And then we have this really awesome mirror. What's up, guys? It's me. Hey, look at that, we're in the Spider-Man. It's pretty cold here in Alaska. Next, we have this. Woo! Look at that, bro. Let me show you guys this really quick. Let me set you guys up really quick so you guys can see what it looks like from here. I don't know, guys. Oh yeah, right here. I'll see you guys later. Peace. Oh. Right here. Look at that, you guys. Oh yeah, the awesome and what? Look at that, guys. The awesome Alaska. Look at that, guys. Alaska. Oh ho ho! Look at the snow on the ground. Look at every single details here. It's so epic, bro. Look at that. We have the trees. We have some cars here and whatnot. We have the mountains over there. There has snow on there. We have power lines, cables. We even have this Christmas tree, but it has snow on there. And there, yeah. And then we have that guy right here. This building right here, which leads to the entrance of the hotel room I'm staying at. Oh yeah, you guys, super epic, cool view we have on the 3rd floor. And then we also have this, which is called AC, or in the Philippines we call it aircon. But we also use that word too back in Malaysia. And then we have the aircon right here, like so. Just the ventilation right here. We got this dial simile right here, as you can see. I don't know, this is like a construction thing. I don't know, but some type of storage and whatnot. And then we have this couch that is also pretty cool as well. And then my bed is pretty messy, but I was on there a couple minutes ago. So yeah, guys, tour that. And this is basically all of our rooms. I know it's pretty messy, but excuse the mess. Hey, alright guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Please don't forget to post notifications. And we gotta see you guys next time. Peace.